In today's market, do you have the opportunity to sell more lambs or increase the size of your flock? Ovastim is a tool used to increase lambing rates by increasing your percentage of twins and triplets born. Proper planning is required to ensure that you have the resources required to feed and manage the multiple bearing ewes and additional lambs. Ovastim works by stopping the egg-limiting messages sent to the ewe's brain. It does this by blocking the production of the hormone androstenedione, which results in the ovaries producing more eggs, meaning there are more lambs born and with proper management, higher marking rates. This graph combines research results and shows that by using Ovastim in your ewes, you can increase the ovulation rate of your ewes by between 18 and 45%. Assuming that you have 1,000 ewes and lambs are worth about $250, and assuming your current marking percentage is 90%, then just a 20% increase in the number of lambs marked can lead to an additional income of $45,000. It is recommended that you scan your ewes in order to effectively allocate feed. If using Ovastim for the first time, an initial vaccination should be given 6 to 9 weeks prior to joining. A second booster dose should then be given 3 to 4 weeks prior to joining. In following years, a single booster vaccination can be given 3 to 4 weeks prior to joining. It is recommended that teaser rams be used 2 weeks out from joining to initiate and synchronize estrus activity. Ask your local Verback area sales manager about using Ovastim to increase your lamb numbers today.